Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this assorted goat meat pepper soup. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. I'm using goat intestine. I will also be using fuku. I will also be using some part of the flesh. So I went ahead to pour the goat meat into my bowl. These are all the goat meat I'll be using for this pepper soup. When cooking pepper soup, you have to be patient, especially if you buy them raw like this. So here I have already washed it. I went ahead to cut some into bite size. I washed everything thoroughly, patiently. I have to wash it several times, in short 4 to 5 times. So here I've already cut all the shaki, all the fuku, all the different parts. I just cut them, clean them, and then I put them aside. Next, I will place my pot on my gas cooker. I will be using one to cook the intestine and the part with flesh. Now I'll go ahead to transfer all the intestine into the pot, and then I'll go ahead to add water into the pot, and then I will show you the next thing to do. If you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much. Please go ahead to subscribe, like and share this video. And if you know you have not subscribed, please go ahead to subscribe, please. Now I'll go ahead to just stir it up, and then I will cover to cook for first 5 minutes, and then I will show you the rest thing to do. After 5 minutes, I'll go ahead to open the pot. Guys, can you see the yolkiness on top of it? That is why I boiled them separately. So the next thing I'll be doing is just to stir this, and I will go ahead to strain this, and I will also wash it thoroughly, because all these are dirty and we don't want to eat them, and we don't want them in our body. So guys, please, whenever you are cooking your goat meat, make sure you parboil it if it is just 5 minutes first, and then you go ahead to strain. Right now I will go ahead to strain this with my filter, and then I will go ahead to wash it over and over, making sure that all those foam, all those dirty, they are off the goat meat. Then I will show you the next thing to do. Also, if you don't want to parboil the way I did mine, you can go ahead to wash it with vinegar, but make sure you wash it thoroughly. Now I'll be transferring all the washed goat meat into a clean pot, in another clean pot. This time around, we are going to cook it properly. I will transfer both of them into one pot this time. So after that, I'll take it straight to my gas cooker. Now is on my gas cooker. I'll go ahead to add some maggi. I'm using no maggi. Then I'll go ahead to add onions. I like onions a lot in my food. So next I'll add salt. Then I'll add some boiled water. And then I'll go ahead to cover this to cook for some minutes. And then I will show you what to do. Thank you guys for watching up to this moment. Guys, please go ahead to subscribe. Does not take anything to subscribe. It's free of charge to subscribe. Subscribe, please, and then click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to watch my video. Thank you guys. So I went ahead to cook this for some minutes, and then I open up the pot. Now I will give everything a stir. This is what I will be using for this pepper soup: oyaya, onions, and pepper. So I'll go ahead to open up after cooking, because I continue to cook, and I blended all the pepper and the onions and I pour it. Now I'll be adding the oyaya and the seed. So after that, I'll go ahead to add my pepper soup spices. Then I will be adding another pepper soup spices as well. Then I will add more salt, because I tasted for salt and maggi, it was not enough. Then I will continue to add water, because it is pepper soup. What is pepper soup without water? I will give everything a good stir, and then I'll cover this to cook for 15 to 20 minutes again. I'll be using parsley, fresh parsley. Then I will open up the pot because I want the meat to be so soft and succulent. I don't want to be dragging meat and be chewing and chewing. So after that, I will go ahead to add the chopped parsley, and then I'll also add some spring onions. These are optional, okay? Now I will go ahead to stir this up, guys. Our pepper soup is ready. I hope you will be trying this out. It was so delicious and it was so yummy. You can use this to eat rice, agidi, yam, plantain as well. But for me, I just went ahead to eat it like this. I didn't add anything to it. Thank you guys for watching up to this moment. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.